netizens! So in this video, we are going to talk about the steps when you want to build your dream house. So step 1, schedule a free consultation. So you may message us in Facebook or in Instagram, or you may text us. And our professional team will assist you in getting the initial information and design requirements. So we have here Mrs., our sales representative. So Mrs., what are the usually initial requirements that we ask from our clients?
So ito pa yung mga initial requirements that we ask po sa client, Ms. Ange. The first one, of course, is the lot plan, the floor area, the location of the project, and of course, the space requirements. For example, here is yung number of rooms, yung car garage, toilets, kitchen, and many more. And also the design and inspiration. For example, if the client wants like minimalist design, industrial, tropical, and many more. And of course, the working budget if the client is open for it. And lastly, the email and contact number.
So thank you for that information, Mrs. So now we'll proceed with step 2. Let's meet our professionals. Alright, so let's now meet our professional team. So we have here our architects, Architect Enzo and Architect CJ. So Architect Enzo, what's next after getting the initial requirements from our clients?
So once we get the requirements from our clients, we will start conceptualizing what they want for their house or building. So we will start setting up meetings, so on a step-by-step. They will be a part of the design process actually as well. And once we, during those meetings, once it's slowly building up the design that they want, we will start finalizing it and do complete permit drawings and construction plans.
Thank you, Architect Enzo, for that information. So, Architect CJ, what's our next step after meeting with our clients?
Actually, our next step is choosing schemes. Here, we have design and build, since we're a design consultant and we're also a contractor. So, ang ginagawa namin first is we ask a conceptualization meeting with our clients. Then after that, once na ma-accomplish na yun, we go na sa permitting phase, which is we have to submit signed and sealed not only with the architects but also yung mga engineers natin sa building officials for them to know na tama yung ginagawa natin sa site, lahat ng plano natin as per law. And at the same time, not only with the design, after the permitting, doon na magpo-proceed yung construction. And also, meron din kaming package na hindi lang design and build. Pwede natin siyang paghiwalayin na if ever meron ka ng contractor, we can also provide a design phase only. And at the same time, vice versa, if meron ka ng designer, pwede kami yung mag-construct ng design ng architect.
Okay, so that's for the step 3. Thank you, Architect CJ. Alright, so we're now down to our last step, which is the step 4, our construction. This is only applicable if the client decided to get our construction package. So the services that includes there are, first is we have bank loan assistance if the client wanted to loan from Pag-ibig or from banks. And we also do the processing of the building permits, and groundbreaking, procurement of materials, professional manpower, project management, that includes also the safety and health protocols, site visits, progress billings, and punch listings. And that's about it for this video. I hope you find it informational and helpful. So what are you waiting for? Let's build your dream with NADC. Visit our Facebook and IG. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!